everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see, I'm driving right now because we are heading to the small little mountain village of Cloudcroft, New Mexico. It's got a population of a little under 800 people, and I thought, I wanted to get out today and go on a little road trip, and Cloudcroft was one of the first places that I really like going to here in New Mexico, so I figured I would head up to Cloudcroft. I wanted to go and look at the Lincoln National Forest up there, stop and get some snacks, and show you guys the scenery along the way. So, let's go. Okay, so we are getting a little bit of rain here. We're in Alamogordo, and we're heading up about 17 miles away from Cloudcroft, so it's getting a little cloudy up there. Hopefully it's not crazy when we get there, but if it is, we might just pop in real quick, hang out, and then pop right back out. So I just pulled into one of the bakeries. There's, I think, only like maybe 2 bakeries here. And I got a little thing of banana nut bread. And then I got just a little brownie. Here's some of the old buildings. This is the main like downtown area kind of. Got a nice Borough Street Exchange. Couple of older buildings with a lot of different businesses in it. There's a little coffee shop over here. Another jewelry place. Another little bakery. And this is really it. I mean, it's just really such a small little strip, And it's really so cool, the lots of different things that they have up here at Cloudcroft. I always love coming out here and just looking at all the different stuff they got going. Check out this old trolley. Hotel Cloudcroft is really cool. I love coming up here so much because the trees are just so beautiful, especially in fall. We don't really get a lot of visual change between seasons in terms of the amount of trees we have in the city I live in. So this is just a really just a beautiful area that I love coming to. They, rent cabins out here, and lots of people come up to stay here. Lots of people buy cabins out here. So it's really just a gorgeous place that I love coming to. There are a couple nice houses up here too. Houses/cabins. Really nice overlooks. Again, some people just buy these to renovate them, turn them into Airbnbs. So that barbecue place over there called Mad Jack's Barbecue, that is the most popular place here in Cloudcroft. It typically has a line right when it opens for a couple of hours. So people are waiting outside right before it opens, a couple hours before it opens. And my family and I went there, and I can tell you, it's worth an hour, 2-hour wait. We waited in that line for a while, and it's pretty good. So, I mean, if y'all ever come out to Cloudcroft, I'd recommend going here because I only been there once, and I still remember it being amazing. Over there, where we just were, that's where the bakery was. That's Hotel Cloudcroft right there. We're just going to head up this road here, past a couple of cute little cabins, out towards the direction of the lodge. So it's about a 1/4 mile drive about this way. And what you saw was pretty much just the main part of town. And we're just driving past a couple cute little houses here. They got some apartments, some little condos out here. It's really just a nice small little area. But if you have trouble, you get dizzy or stuff like that, then I might not recommend it. And this is the lodge right here. So it's got, a little golf course, little shop, some food, obviously rooms to stay in, things like that. It's a very nice little building that really reminds you of the history that this town has, how old this town is, and the typical styles that you see with smaller towns / mountain towns. So it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go back out of town. I've done everything I really wanted to do in here. Shop, drive around, get some food. I'm gonna pull off on one of the side areas and see if I can get a really good view of the forest. So let's see. All right, I pulled up to a little hiking trail, literally just outside of the town. It's OSHA Trail, and there are a lot of different types of trees here just in this area alone. Really beautiful oak trees, birch trees, pine trees, all just kind of mixing it up together. So we're gonna get out and I'm just gonna, show y'all some of the nature a little bit. This is the overlook from the trail right here. From the little, wow. Oh, y'all see that? Perfect timing. Really cool. So it's really nice. It's really quiet. Right here, there's only a couple of other people out here looking at, walking on the trail. So let me just see. I'm not going to walk too far, but I'm just going to head over here and kind of peer down into the area right here. Look at that. It is just gorgeous. Really a great place to camp too. There's a nice green field over there. Really nice area. There's a nice little clearing right here. I'm just going to film. I'm not going to go hiking, but I mean, look at that. Birch trees are just beautiful. Really just a gorgeous little area right here. I love coming out here, It's nice to just feel the breeze out here. It's much cooler here than it is down in Las Cruces. Got a weird animal making noise over here though. Something's going on. I am a little bit jealous of people who live out here because it's so beautiful out here to just be surrounded by all this nature. And the weather is so just nice and cool compared to other places in New Mexico in the summer. And you can just walk to these nature areas. Just there's somebody who lives right down the street right here. They could walk 2 minutes to this nature area, sit on the bench that I passed right there, have a nice little lunch, have a nice little picnic. But also it's really so small out here. Like I said, there's only, I think, under 800 people. And I didn't see a movie theater when I was driving down the main street. I know they probably got a movie theater, gym, rec center maybe. I saw one school. I don't know. There's stuff that's spread out further down Cloudcroft, but I have never fully explored the entirety of Cloudcroft. We come here frequently, but we mainly go to a couple of small places like the main shopping center to eat, to shop, and then we go to a cabin, so it's really beautiful. But you're far away from the opportunity to do a lot of different things if you want to do a lot of different things in the city or something like that. The nearest city is Alamogordo, so you gotta drive, I think that's about 30 minutes, so it's not too bad, but the roads are so winding that it's I would not want to make that trip. so frequently, you know. Or I would, and I would just get used to it. I don't know. Overall, it's a very good day trip. I love coming up here. I haven't come up here since last year. So it's really, really a good choice to come up here. All right, y'all. I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you want to see me do anything else like this, just let me know. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.